article A. Article means determiner. Determiner. What it determines? It determines nouns. Especially A article is used before countable or singular, we can call singular common noun. So we will be go ahead on next screen and we will discuss it where and how we can use article A for the sake of, we can call it idiosyncratic or idiomatic expressions. We must use articles. So here are some sort of articles. That means a lot of or several rules are there how to we use or which article we can use for which particular noun. So let me take you on next slide. Nouns that begins with a consonant sound, consonant letter or consonant sounds. So let me take you ahead on the next slide, where we can understand specially what do you mean by consonant sounds or letters. Okay, so let us come up with me. Try to understand here certain examples. Before singular countable nouns, we can use article A. Here are some examples for us. Now you can see here a boy. We can count boy, one boy, two boy, three boy. That means we can cardinally count 1, 2, 3, 4, and such a countable nouns are only singular. It means only singular number countable nouns. Before that, we can use determiner A. Then there is a table, a spoon. Then you can see here the noun Eureka starts with letter vowel E. Vowel E, but it makes sounds as a consonant U, like that. So Eureka. That is why before means this particular letter is in vowel, but it makes sounds as a consonants, and that is why we can use a article before singular countable common nouns, and nouns begins with consonants or make sounds as a consonants. Then there is a one. Then we have a unique. So all these are the letters which actual in vowel, but we can use a articles before these common nouns. Let me take you ahead on next slide. Before some expressions of quantity. Now we can understand some expressions of quantities are there. There we can use a article. We have some examples here. A few. Then we have a lot of. Then we have a little. Then we have a good deal of. Then we have a great amount of. So on and so forth. Now here we can see if a proper noun is used as a common noun. Some cases we can use proper noun as a common noun, and in that case we can use a article before such a nouns. Here is an example for we are waiting for a Buddha. Now Buddha, it's a proper noun, but it is used here as a common for a species or for a particular kind of human being. Buddha to bring peace in this violent world. Now, in explanation, we can see here the proper noun Buddha is being used as a common noun. Hence, that is why a indefinite article is used before such a proper noun. Yes. Then we have next type of rule, that is note that other expressions, certain other expressions are like a loss. Look at this, at a loss. You can see a nauseance. Then we can see a pleasure. It's a nauseance, it's an abstract noun. Abstract noun. But before that, here a article is used. No article is used before abstract nouns, but in this case, this is used. So try to understand certain rules. A pleasure. Then we have a shame. Again, also used as a indefinite article. So then we have indefinite article A is not used. Where we can't use and it would be wrong, we will discuss it here. Before proper nouns in general. If the noun is improper, so we can't use article A. Like my name is a Sangeeta. We can't use a Sangeeta. It's wrong. Then we can't use before abstract noun. Let me tell, I already told you that it's not used before abstract nouns. Not a scene, a death, we can't use. Then before material noun, because material noun it's plural, so we can't use before material noun, a salt and all. Then before countable plural nouns. Yes, there is a countable common nouns, but these are plurals. We can't use before them. Like, look at this. Could you help me carry books to the library? We can't use a books. So, look at this. Before common singular nouns that are used to represent a race or a class. Now you can see man is a social being, not a man. A man, we can't use it here. Once we use a noun, a common noun as a representing a social class. So in that case, we can't use a article. Before adjectives, if it does not modify a noun. Now you can see a noun can't be used before adjective. Now example for us, how did you like the film? It is superb. Then this noun, this adjective does not qualify the noun or modify the noun, so we can't use a superb. So this is all the cases. Now here the next case, which another determiner is used before the noun. Some determiners are used before the noun. Then we, in that case also, we can't use article A. Now see, this is his book. We can't call it a his book. Okay, so that's it for this session. Thank you.